Let us talk about what these floating action buttons do in the filter section. There are 3 buttons and each has its own function. Switching CRM? There is no need to worry to manually upload your leads to our CRM. You can easily automate it by following these steps. Click the Import Leads button. This will prompt a model view with the steps to upload the file. Download the import template. Follow the template.csv for an organized set of data. You can download the countries.csv file, which serves as your reference to the country codes. Assign manager for your leads. Assign vendor to your leads. Upload the file as CSV. Then save the request by clicking this button. Refresh the page to see the imported leads. You can export the leads list as a CSV file by clicking this button. You can choose to export the current leads list that you have chosen or export all the leads from the database. Click Export to generate the file. Change how you view the details of your leads by clicking the Change View button.